Hello guys, recently I have ordered so many things from online store, just like a Raspberry Pi. I have shown this before and I have been experimenting on this, but let's put this aside. I have a brand new kit here of Arduino, and there are so many things uh, within it, and this and a very nice box. I actually ordered this box as well, so they put everything in it and send it to me. I actually opened it before and I am unboxing it now, and I have the breadboard in it. I already have the breadboard. I have set it up, like I can put the Arduino UNO here and all the components, so it will not move around. So but I'm using this one before, and I have this one totally brand new breadboard as well. And here we have the keypad, 4x4 keypad as well, and there are so many other things like this relay, capacitors, a bunch of transistors and capacitors, and bunch of resistors. And these are the mail headers. You can actually put it right here, or you can connect the keypad with it, as you can see that. So there are some female pin headers. I actually break it and use it. Also there's males pin headers as well, so that I have bunch of LEDs as well here. So many, not so many, but for little experiments they are enough. And this box has two sections. I can move this around, and there are so many components and equipments in it, like this Arduino Mega, and it has a lot of pins on it. I review on that before as well, and I have used this on some projects. I have this motor driver shield. You can make a robot with it, and this actually helps you to control 4 DC motors, 2 stepper motors and 2 servos. And I have used this before and I can use it again. I have another motor driver shield, which is, this is L29 3D, and this one is L298, and it can control 2 DC motors. And I have used this one before as well, so it's still in a packing. I have the IR remote and bunch of male to female jumper wires, male to male jumper wires, male to female jumper wires, and also I have the cable to connect Arduino Mega. And you can now, after that, you can connect it to your computer. And I have this 7-segment display, 16:2 LCD. I have used this one before, and this one I have the CNC shield. This project is gonna come out soon, so I haven't ordered the motor driver shields for the motor driver modules, which are stepper motor modules for the CNC machine. So I will definitely making a video on it. And these are just a divider in the box, so you can add it up like that. That's not sensitive, so you can, I'm gonna put it back, I would think, like this. We have Arduino Mega, motor driver shield, here our remote, everything is looking good in this kit. You need to adjust those things. I don't know how they put it and close it. Normally, can I close it? Oh yeah, it's been. Yeah, there is a remote. You can just do like that. Yes, now you can close this box. So good kid. I have the other box as well. Uh, it has some other parts like this one. This one is I have before. So I have so many things that I have used, like this joystick. You can left, right, and this clicky button. You can use this. I have used this one before. I have two stepper motors lying around with their controllers, which is basically ULN. Yeah, ULN 2003 APG. Yeah, both of them. They are. They come with the controller. This is pretty nice. And I can use this these two stepper motors directly with the Arduino. So let's put it aside here, and these are two gear motors, turbo motors, and there is a servo motor. What else we have? There are a bunch of screws of Raspberry Pi I have, and foam, and this is a stepper motor which is salvaged from CD-ROM. I have 7-segment display LED dot matrix here as well. That's pretty nice. I didn't know that. This is a sound module. I just bought it for the Raspberry Pi, but I didn't use it. So I just wanted a minimalistic circuit, so that's why it's not having any shade cover on it. This is just a OTG connector for a cell phone. This one here, I bought it. This is a camera module actually, or Raspberry Pi. It's 5 megapixel camera. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna use this, and when I will make a robot with a Raspberry Pi, I'll use this module on it, and definitely gonna work on a OpenCV or TensorFlow, something like that. Let's put it back in the box. See right there. I have some DC motor with some gear on it. There I have some. This is a relay module. This is a 2-channel relay module. And it has 2 relays and a bunch of pins to connect everything, and you can control AC appliances on it. And this, wow, this is what something is missing here on the box. This is a variable, almost I think it's 10K. Yeah, 10K. This one is a slider. You have seen a MIDI controller which has this slider to just increase the volume or just wow effect, something like that. This is not motorized. Yeah, it's not motorized. It's just analog. So I will make a MIDI controller with it. I will buy a bunch of more to work with it. Let's keep this postponed, and this is the limit switch. I have 2 of them. I was thinking on making a custom controller with Arduino, but I stopped due to some reasons. And this is a TP4060, I think. Yeah, to charge or discharge the lithium-ion batteries. And I have card reader here for Raspberry Pi OS installed. Copy paste it. LED again. and female jumper. Definitely gonna work on that. And what's this is a BMS balancing module for 3S production cell, and you can get 12 volt out of this if you connect all the batteries with it. I have used this before, but I saw with all the batteries were dead, so I'm gonna make another circuit with it. I have male header here, male here. Oh yeah, this one is good. Just this is a audio amplifier. You can connect a 5 volt and left right channel here and input here, and you can have a pretty nice sound quality. I will make this speaker. Definitely gonna make a Bluetooth speaker with it. I have some this encoder, and this one is a decoder. Yeah, encoder and decoder ICs. This HT12 and this one HT12E. E means encoder and D means decoder. So this one is a decoder. You can let's just focus HT12D. So this is decoder, and I hope you can see that this is encoder 12E. Okay, and just USB cable dot FET, some bunch of wires. These are the servo motor knobs on it. What's in this bag? Let us see. Wow, just that. Oh yeah, this one is the ultrasonic sensor, but this is a waterproof. I think that's not waterproof anymore because you cannot. Yeah, I have been using this one. So let's see what's more. This is the sound module, sound detection module. Let's take it out and have a deeper look on it. Yeah, this is sound module. Definitely gonna work on that too. I have uploaded the video on it. LED sound reactive LED. And I have a piezo sensor. A bunch of, I think 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 of them. So I'm planning on some project with it as well. So what else we have in the back? A bunch of resistor again. Right. What is it? Yeah, MPU 6050. This is a gyro and accelerometer. Very helpful when you are making a drone with Arduino or self-balancing robot. So definitely a very useful component. What else? Here, yeah, this one is ADLX, and this one is just a gyro, and we have this one, yeah, RF transmitter and receiver. So I will definitely use these two to make a project with it. So keep watching my videos. I hope you will like this, and let's put back everything in the box again like we did that before, and let's hope everything gets fitted in. Just the joystick, we will put it here. Stick, our reader, encoder, decoders. Definitely, these encoder decoders are actually on this form, so their pins will not bend it. Relay module. We got 2 stepper motors as well. It's just an unboxing video. So we will learn more about these components, and my video soon gonna come out. Everything is good. If we can close this one like that. Oh, we forgot this breadboard. This one is in this box. Let's put it right. Oh yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel.
Let it go, make my body go, make our bodies higher.